All right, let's see. I'm going to document my repair of this. This is evidently a Maytag Performa, and there's my model number. I called Performance Pro Direct. They told me, judging from the sound, that it was 2 devices on the bottom, and after doing the repair I still have the sound. Allow me to use my screwdriver here. You can see there's not much movement. The grounding noise that's most likely in the transmission. Matter of fact, I'm certain in the transmission. As I hold it and spin it, I can feel and hear the grinding. Now, question as to what to do. Smart person would go out and buy a new one with all the water levels. You see, the one nice thing about this washing machine, if I click it up to a higher level, it just simply fills the basket to whatever water level height that I want. So I'm going to fix this, and I'm going to buy a replacement transmission. Please come along. One more thing to note, I'm going to spin it and drain it, but when the transmission goes in one direction, no grinding, no nothing, and it empties. And this is what this washer has been doing for 14 years. Going to continue to do it for many more to come because I like the way it operates.